Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 and let me share with you how to reset camera preferences on this device. So let's begin with opening the camera right here. Now, before we'll proceed, I hope that you can see those grid lines. I've applied them before I've started recording because I'd like to share with you a visual evidence that the reset option will work. So basically they should disappear after resetting. All you need to do now is to tap on this 4 dots icon. So obviously the position of the 4 dots icon will change according to the position in which you've got your device and whether you're using the cover screen or this full screen. But just find it and then tap on the gear icon. Now we need to scroll all the way down and tap on Reset Settings and tap on Reset. As you can see, we just got back to the camera and the grid lines are not visible, which means that we just successfully reset camera preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.